Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Thereturnable. Today I'm going to show you how to do the cough syrup. It's all natural, but you can't. Before I start the video, I want to apologize or say sorry about yesterday. I supposed to post that video yesterday, but exactly keep looking for brown sugar, the regular one. But I went to supermarket yesterday and I went today again. I go to supermarket today. I cannot find it. But I find the light brown sugar. That's the one we're going to use. Okay, guys? So you can see all my ingredients here, right, guys? So that the sugar is 1 cup, half cups of sugar. Okay, so what we're going to do first, make sure you cut everything like that. So what you're going to do first, you're going to add your betterave, they call it beans. You add it, you add 2. When you add 2, you get 1 tablespoon, you put it inside. You know why you put that first? Because it's the one who's going to start making the syrup. So you put 2 teaspoons, and then you're going to add couples of pepper onion. Now you're going to add the other. You're going to add that. And this one right there, guys, is a 2. Is 2. I buy 2, but one is big and a small one. Okay. When you're done, you put some more sugar, and then you add more. And then when you finish, you cover it. You put it on a place for a couple days. And then you're going to see it stick, everything going to be melting, and it's going to give you a syrup. So that's when it's ready. So if you don't see it give you syrup, please don't open it. Just close it and then put it somewhere on your kitchen. Or if you have a room, put on your room. So it's going to be melting. The sugar and beans and purple onion going to give you all the syrup, guys. Okay. And then I'm going to add more sugar. And then I'm going to finish add those things. Okay, guys, this is the video. Please, guys, be safe. That's why I come with the video and I say let me do it for you guys. You can't know when your kids have cough, and the cough, even you buy medicine, you go to the hospital, they cannot do nothing for you. So that syrup is really good. So even the kids don't have no cough, you can still give it to them because it's good for your puma. Okay, it's really good. So you can, when they start give you all the syrup every morning, you can take a teaspoon of it, and then you give your kids teaspoon. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my video, like and thumb up, and leave a comment. Bye bye.